Hi and welcome back to Tiffany Shadley, Hall Canner Girl. I am so excited for this month of Boxycharm. I'm going to get right into the October 2019's Boxycharm. Now, if you do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription where it's $21, but I guess they are introducing the bigger Boxycharm. They have other options now, so they have a beauty box, which is worth $175 for only $35. So I guess it's going up, or it says now receive 5 beauty products worth over $125 for only $25 a month, starting November 1st. So we have the Boxycharm Premium, which is $35. It's like $50 more you'll get in products. There's a customization. It's your choice. There's add-ons and a Boxy pop-up. Now, I still want to just get random stuff. I do not want to pick my stuff. The whole point of me doing this is, it's kind of like Christmas. Like, you don't know what you're going to get in the box. I don't want to know what I'm going to get in the box, so I'm going to try to choose that option. Okay, guys, so the first item I'm pretty excited about. I've gotten a lot of stuff from this company, Skin & Co., which is Skin & Company Roma. Now, I just sprayed it on my face. It is so refreshing. It is Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist. Now, this is Radiant Dew and 120 milliliters. So, I'm going to go ahead and see how much it costs in here. Okay, so we have right here the Skin & Company Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew Mist, and is $35. So again, I paid $21 for the box, guys. This is the hydrating mist formulated to smooth, protect, and illuminate your skin. Enriched with antioxidants, it's soothing and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint. So, and it also has rose. It helps with your, it helps with your skin's pH level, tightening, rebalancing, tightening pores, and setting makeup. So this is so cool. You can actually even set your makeup with it. Just make sure you guys read the directions. It is 8 to 10 inches away from your face, but I love this. And this is such a huge size. Just right off the bat, $35 for this product, and I paid $21 for this whole entire box. So let's get into the next item. I'm pretty excited about this. There's a lot of lip colors that I get sent to me that I do not like, and this color is beautiful. This is Iconic by London, and I'm trying to see if maybe what the name is. Let's see. So it doesn't have the name on the bottom. It just says Lip Plumping Gloss, 0.17 fluid ounces. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see how much it's going for. Okay, so for the Iconic Lip Plumping Gloss, the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss, plumping power, high shine formula. It is infused with biomedic peptide, which helps to support your natural collagen production. Cool. So this is $26 alone. So that's really awesome that, just for $26 for this, and the box was $21 this month. So that is so cool. So I went ahead and opened it, and this is what it looks like. It actually smells really, really good. Like, it kind of smells like peppermint, sort of. So I really like this color. I'm excited about this. Okay, guys, I'm really, really excited about this. Touch Insole. This is Glacé. So this is really awesome. It is a glossy skin balm, and I know it's going for a pretty high price. Let's see. Okay, $32, and look how small this is. So there's only 1.05 ounces, and I'm going to try to open this now. So this is how it looks when you open it. It's a very small. I mean, for $32 for that, I don't know about that, but I love this brand, like, so much. I've gotten stuff from Boxycharm before from this brand, and I absolutely love it. The packaging is so cute. The product smells really good. It doesn't smell like any chemicals or anything weird. It just smells like fresh. So I'm not too sure. I'm sure there is chemicals in there because I see a whole bunch of everything in there. But it smells really amazing. So I'm excited about this. So I guess how you use this, let's see. An ultra hydrating, priming skin balm with a sensational, smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. Oh, cool. So it's just like basically a glow lotion. Okay, well, I'm going to try this out. Pretty excited about that. Okay, guys, I'm really excited. Look at this. We have this beautiful, like, Tiffany blue. It is called Luna by Luna. I'm trying to zoom in so you guys can see. All right, let's see here. This Luna by Luna right here, this is such a pretty color, is $16. These highly pigmented and easy glide-on pencil eyeliners are perfect to create a full lash line or a playful, colorful look that lasts all day. A colorful look that lasts all day. Luna eye pencils are available in 2 gorgeous shades, baby blue and charcoal black. So they only have 2. So this is the baby blue. This is a 24-hour wear that in just one application. You will look and stay set all day. So that's really awesome. It is a 24-hour eyeliner. So it's pretty exciting about that. And literally $16 for that. And I paid $21 again, guys, for the whole entire box. So we are going to get into the last item here. And I'm pretty excited about this. These colors are amazing. This is called Blushing Berries. And this is, let's see. The name is, I guess, okay, so I found it on here. The name is Dose of Colors Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. The palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open this now. Now, they do have the colors on the back too, but it's better to see them in here. So I just went ahead and opened it up. It's kind of like a mirror effect. Okay, guys, so when you do open it up, there is a mirror there, right there. But I'm just covering it for right now. These colors are beautiful. Let's see. So we're going to start backwards with this, but the black, or berry black, is this one. Very pretty. And you could even see the shimmer in there. That's why I love this. Okay, so then the next one is Mixed Berries, which is next to the berry black. That one's really pretty as well. Then we have the Berry Pop, which is this red shade. These are really pretty. Then we have the Rose Berry, which is next to this red one right here. This is Rose Berry. Then we have Berry Chick. So these are pretty cute. I mean, these are obviously like fall colors. These are, you know, the matte nude colors. I do like these. Even maybe pairing the black with the Berry Pop, which is this one. That'll probably look so pretty. So I do not want to swatch these. I want to start doing separate videos of just swatching. So I don't know, because I'd rather just do like small little videos of just doing swatches. I don't know. Maybe, hope you guys will like that. If not, then leave me a comment below that you want me to swatch them, because today I really just do not want to put this on my arm. And the price on this is $32. So this is such an amazing box this month, you guys. I am so happy about all the awesome products I got. And I just wanted to say, if you guys are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button. Every single month I'm going to be putting out videos like this and all kinds of videos. And remember, guys, I am not perfect, but every single day I'm trying to become a better person. And with that said, you cannot take care of anybody in this whole entire world until you take care of yourself. And once you take care of yourself the right way, you can take care of others the proper way. Please leave me a comment below of what was your favorite item, or what item would you like to use or have you used before in the past. Thank you guys so much for watching.
You know I'm local, okay?